Hey guys, it took me a little bit of time to figure out, just I'll let you know. So what do you do before, okay, you know how I plug everything, make sure your tail servo is out, plug one is gear and leave it because it was not coming into the menu. So we're going to set up our servo. I had a really big issue, so I'll tell you what was the issue. Before you click everything and then you need to go to the gyro. See, I'm going in the gyro, and now see this one here. There was before like 50 and this one also 50. Okay, you can probably see it what I'm talking about. So you go for both 50. See, if you go for both 50, that was my normal setup before, watch, in the gyro. And now we leave this one here for you for a while so you can know what I'm talking about. And then you remember, I'm sure, see the one goes in the rotor and red goes in the gear channel. All right, see, watch here, the red wire goes into the gear channel and another one goes into the rotor, and this one will goes into the your tail servo. But we don't want to put the tail servo before we set up our gyro, and the problem was I cannot put inside here, so you cannot see it. All right, so if you can't see the lights, I can't help you, but still I will try. All right, so leave outside. So problem was that, all right, put this one here. Okay, leave my radio here, leave my 250 Gyro here. Hang on, come on, give me the nice way, man. Okay, leave here for you, we'll do later. Okay, now I have to power up, okay, and try to get into the settings. So when I power up, make sure your transmitter is on. That's your gyro switch. You put in and see the blue light, but I was not going into the when I pressed 3 times this one or more than that, I was not going into the menu, and it's taken me a little quite while to find it out why I was not going into the setup menu, so we can set up our gyro for you, our heli. So here the things, guys. Go, when you buy this gyro, make sure read it, please. It's very important. There is a 2 type of lights. One is, I'm going to cover at the moment, the servo. Okay, so if you not hear your servo listed, make sure go and find what servo you're using, and make sure servo is a digital, and mine was a Corona. I'll show you where I can't see. It's on the front. You can see the same servo in my beginning is a Corona DS919MG. Okay, this one is a 15. How to tell you? Look at mess here. This one is this here is the 1520 US, and they reckon this is 250 has a HZ will work. So I need a 3 flashlight for this. They said the default setup is 1520 US. But guys, when you buy the tail servo, please a little bit think about, okay, and a little bit research. But those time for this it was not listed here, but never knows. Always start with, but it will be easy to find about the 1520 US. Just go into the websites and search and they will tell you. So my one was a 1520 US, but I couldn't find it out about the HZ hertz. Okay, so we couldn't find about the hertz. So somebody saying you can use 70, somebody said 200, somebody said 350, and So what is the hertz? Hertz is a more vibration, more fast frequencies. All right, I don't know, but it's still digital, so I'm going to use 250. They're saying it, I don't know about my servo, so better the default is this. Use it, otherwise you're going to burn the servo. So what are we going to do? We're going to do the first servo setup through our transmitter. Remember, goes in your DXI or any transmitter. When you reset your heli, will give you the different option for the gyro. Go to your gyro, click on it, make sure on the top one go around more, hang on, leave this 50 and then top one. See, if I put the watch, if I put 50%, my gyro is not active, you can see it. And when I put the 50%, watch, it's take me a little while to find it out, guys. See, now it's still done and is blinking the red light, but forget about all the lights at the moment, but I'm just showing. So if you put 52, just a little bit more percentage, the radio can detect your GAT20, you know what is this, AssAn GAT50 gyro. So this is the lot of times people get confused, because you know I was quite confused for 10 minutes 20 minutes, but I went online and find it out. But lucky just get it straight up and find it out. Sometimes it takes 6 months more time. So see, this is the active now, so I will go leave for 55. Just leave at the moment, we'll tell you why. We'll do these things later. Okay, first we need to set up our servo. What type of servo? So I find it out about my servo. Leave here, guys. I'm not putting this one because if I put this one inside, you cannot see the lights and it's headache. Okay, so we do this one. Okay, now simple, we want to get into the menu. Okay, too much mess, because of if I put it in the top, it's headache. We want to get into the setup menu, guys. So what we do, I'll leave there for you. Put my hand a little bit further, so it's too tiny times. Okay, I can just come on, stay here. You put this one, power up your heli, and 3 times or 4 times, have a look. Let's get into your servo setting. Okay, at the moment is blinking 1 time, you can see 1. And one more thing, guys, when you set up these things, make sure motor disconnected. Okay, please, and put the throttle up on your transmitter. Okay, it's just the safety. Always remember, safety is important. So I already disconnected my motor. You can see my wire in my hand here plugging, nothing, because we set up mode. So go on the setup now. See, this time is just blinking 1. 1 means you can see it's saying Futaba servo 1533 Hertz. It's really high frequency. We don't need 1 2. It's very simple method. Turn right will go higher, turn left will go higher, and turn right will go lower. So at that moment is a 1 time blinking, is just the top servo. So we push 1 more time, watch, will 2 times will blink and stop, and again 2 times will blink and stop. 2 stop, 1 2 stop. So you can see it, 1 2 stop, 1 2 stop. See, so now we are in the second line, which one is Futaba, all this. Now I'm going to the third one. So if you want to get to the third servo, which one is described in my left hand side, so again you push it. See, 3 times now, 1 2 3, boom, off, 1 2 3, off, 1 2 3, off. See, so that's the things. It's 3 times blink and stop, so you get to the next option. All right, so same way you can move. See, like we go for 4th. All right, count now, 1 2 3 4, stop. See, then you go to the 5, then you select your servo. Honestly, I'm going to test this one with what I find. God knows, but is the default is 70 Hertz, so I'm going to leave on the at the moment 70. Okay, the last one, because this is very low Hertz, and then will hopefully work for my this one before I burn or anything. Okay, so I think I don't want to put 250 Hertz. I don't know it's going to handle or not, but people saying they can handle. It's a digitals, so I don't know. So you do it. After you do it, very simple, you can just disconnect it and out.